So the Navy 6.0, from the factory, it comes with two different types of propellers. You have your low pitch propeller, and as we have on this boat, the high pitch propeller. Those two propeller options are designed to be able to dial in the performance for the type of boat that you have and the condition. So for instance, the low pitch propeller is for pushing and torque. So something on heavy loads, so say you have a big sailboat or a big trawler or something like that, and you're mainly looking for the torque and the push, you want that low pitch propeller. But since we have this Navy 6.0 on a little bit smaller boat, and we're out here in the North Georgia fishing reservoirs, we're looking for a little bit more on the top speed side of things. So we have the high pitch propeller on this smaller, lighter weight boat.